Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach! Here we go, we're here. Oh. Zoe and Zoe. It's like no part of that thing. He's taking a picture of this random sign. That one, look, you go down the blue slide and then you get airborne. What are you making, Zoe? Are you covering yourself up? Madison, what are you doing? Oh, that's cool, because I'm riding the lazy river. Parker! Wait! Hey Dylan, wait! Poppy, get your massive bald head all the way. There you go, Dylan. Uh-oh. We're going under the waterfall. Ooh. Dark. The dark cave to nowhere. What? I didn't get it, Dylan. Oh, that's hot cold. And I'm going right towards another one. No! What? Get away! I know! They're emptying out those freezers. Oh! Yeah, it is. Hey! Hey! Run! Hey, watch out for the cave bear! Hey Dylan, watch out for the cave bear! No! 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 Ah! No! No! It's cold! It's cold! It's cold! Yeah, I saw. I'm ready, you can go. Oh man, are you kidding me? There we go, I got it. Hit the wall and turn me around. Spun me all the way around, but I think I got it. How was that experience?
Good, I hit my back.
Oh, really? So you got a souvenir? Here we go. Oh man, you did it. Oh, and you're doing it with style. Hey, Zoe. Look at me, sweetness. Hey, beautiful. Yeah, baby, I see it. I'm not going right. There it is. I want to catch Oh, he sees me. You see that? He's alert now. Yeah, it's the same snake. Hey, he saw me and he flipped up. Hey Zoe, look right here, Zoe. Look, Daddy's right here. Sparkly Ryan. Uh-huh. Oh, look at that. Parker was hanging without an ice plate below him. Yeah, one of those things that he's standing on. They're called ice plates.
I'm gonna go in the water now.
You doing good, Clark? This is the American Ninja Warrior Blizzard Edition.
Daddy!
That was dangerous.
Daddy, I'm gonna go in the zip line.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh! I don't think you'll make the last one. Oh, he made it. Woo. Oh my goodness. There you go. This is a bad idea. She's gonna take you forever. Okay, now you gotta swim over. You gotta try to get over here, though, or stand up and grab the rope. Yeah, stand up. Okay, then you gotta get off, baby doll. Okay. Blizzard Beach has now become Typhoon Beach. Right, Brian? Typhoon Beach. That's great. Hey Joe. Hey Joe. Don't tell all your moped family you're scared. No. Parker. Joey, look. You're crying for no reason. Just look at it. Look, there you go, laugh. There you go, silly. Yeah. Instant laughter. Silly. Here we go, last one. All the way around. That was it. Now we're just gonna float. So, now we're just gonna float. No, you can't ever go again now. Can't ever go again. You wanna go again? You cried halfway down. Do you like it?
It's so good.
Oh.